Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to make different product pages on Shopify. For example, I'm currently on my Shopify store and you can see three different layout for product pages right here. Now to do this, all you'll need to do is go onto your Shopify admin page. Once on the admin page, I want you to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to select Online Store. After selecting Online Store, in line with your theme name, you're going to tap on Customize. Then from the top right where you see Home Page, you're going to tap right there and you're going to select Pages. Then instead of selecting Default Page, you're going to tap on Create Template. After selecting Create Template, from here you could add in your product name. So for example, I'm just going to be calling this product 1, so we could type that in right there. So product number 1, and you're going to tap on Create Template. After selecting Create Template, you can go over to the left hand menu option, and I'm going to be adding the page name, better yet. Then we're going to tap on Add Section, and from here you could select Featured Product. After selecting Featured Product, you could select the product that you would like to be displayed by tapping on Select Product. Let's say, for example, this product right here. After you have done that, you will go back, so you could tap on the X and then you can continue customizing. So let me select the product once more. Then I'll just tap on Select at the bottom of the page. After you have done that, you can go back and from there you can add more sections. So I could tap on Add Section, and then let's say, for example, below it I would like to add something else. So let's say you would like to add video. You could tap on video right there. After tapping on video, you could select the video that you would like to add. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on Save in the top right hand corner. Then you're going to tap on Product 1 once more, select Pages, then you will tap on Create Template. From here, you can add in the second product name. So you would add in the second product name, and again you'll create another default page. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on Exit in the top left hand corner. Then you're going to go over to the left hand menu option and you're going to select Pages. After selecting Pages, you're going to tap on Add Page, and from here you can add in the product name. So you can type in, for example, I'll call this product number 1. Then all you'll need to do now, right where you see Theme Template from the right hand menu option, you're going to tap right there, and from there I could find product number 1, so you can see it right there, and you will tap on Save. So that means that product number 1 will be displayed on this page. So if we were to tap on View Page, you can see it right there, and you can see the video right there. Now that you have created your pages, so you'll continue creating more pages by tapping on Add Page. After you have added the pages that you want, you can tap on Navigation from the left hand menu option. Then you could select Main Menu and you could tap on Add Menu Item. And with this, you'll be able to add the product pages to your menu. So for example, I could type in, let's say, product 1. So I could type in product 1 right here. Then tap on Search, select Pages. Then from there, we could select product number 1 and tap on Add. And let's say I would like it to be displayed right below the home page. You can tap and drag and place it right there. Then tap on Save Menu. Now that it has been saved, if we were to tap on View Your Online Store, you can see it has been added right there, and we can select product 1. So that's how you'll be able to create multiple product pages on your Shopify store. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative.